Let's talk about the recently launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy A35, with premium design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED display, with 6.6 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, approximately 84.8% screen-to-body ratio, 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio, 390 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear, that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and with 5 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 13 megapixel front camera. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 6.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by Samsung Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MP5 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.7 by 78 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 209 grams. The color options: Awesome Lemon, Awesome Lilac, Awesome Navy, Awesome Ice Blue, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, IP67 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A35 has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB. Storage variant at 30,999 Indian rupees, and expected 102,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 33,999 Indian rupees, and expected 112,999 Pakistani rupees, while the expected 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 25,999 Indian rupees, and expected 86,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy A35 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.